Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're looking at how to work an increase stitch for crochet. Let's get started. So the concept is the same for every stitch. What we're going to be doing is working 2 stitches into the same stitch space. So you can see here along the top of the previous row, each one of these V's is a stitch space. And we typically work underneath both of those loops. So what we're going to do for single crochet is insert our hook into the next stitch space. We're going to complete our single crochet. And then we're going to insert our hook into the same stitch space. So just going into that same space, we're going to complete another single crochet. And if we take a close look here, you can see here's that stitch space, and then here are now 2 stitches. So this V here and this one here, each one of those is an individual stitch, and they are coming from that same stitch space. Now let's take a look with half double crochet. So again, the concept for half double crochet is the same. We're going to be working 2 half double crochet stitches into the next stitch space. So we're going to begin by yarning over. We're going to insert our hook into the next stitch space, complete the half double crochet, and then we're going to go back in to that same space. We'll begin by yarning over, go back into that same stitch space, and complete the stitch. And again, you can see 1, 2 stitches. Both of those are coming from the same stitch space. So that is an increase for half double crochet. Now let's take a look for double crochet. So I think you guys are really getting the hang of it now. You can see there's my next stitch space right here. I'm going to complete a double crochet into that stitch space. Here's my first double crochet, and then I'm going to put another one right back into that same stitch space. So a closer look at what that looks like. There's one stitch, the second stitch, and they are both going into the same stitch space right here. Okay guys, I hope that you have found this helpful. Again, to increase, you just work 2 stitches, whatever the pattern calls for, into the same stitch space, and that will increase by 1 stitch. So every increase that you work, you're adding 1 stitch to the row or round that you're working on. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.